Look, this one I gotta work.
Welcome in. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh dang, I'm knocking out. About to start my journey back to the airport, but I think they got a lot of festivals or parade going on out here. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Oh shit, can I cross the street? Man, I don't know. Oh shit. I don't know. Oh, is this street blocked off? Oh, it's blocked off. I guess I could just walk. Shit, I hope so. Let's see. Oh yeah, they got all the cars in the street. Welcome in, welcome in. We're in downtown Seattle. Welcome in, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Welcome in, Chris. We're walking through downtown Seattle. Welcome in, History. Welcome in, Yvette. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, what up, Ronnie? What up, Rada NJ 2023? Lynette Young, how you doing? Turn Tuck 2. Miguel, what up? User 92. I think I'm at my first spot, y'all. Wow. Welcome in, y'all. I think I'm at my first spot. Oh, that was faster than yesterday. I got over here fast, y'all. Got here pretty fast. I got here faster than I thought, you guys. I'm gonna come back on in a few minutes. Then I gotta walk to this train station. We're walking out here. It's a little cloudy and sunny.